What's going on, photographers? Michael Anthony here. Today I am at the Shutterfest Annual Photography Conference. This is a conference that I have been attending since 2015. I've been speaking here since 2016, and it is by far one of the best photography conferences that is out there for you to attend. While we're on the subject here, I thought I'd make this video because I know there are many of you that have either never attended a conference but want to, or maybe you've only attended one and it was a long time ago and you're wondering, hey, what are the benefits of spending the money to come to one of these conferences, as a photographer. Now, taking you back to 2012, I attended my first conference. It was WPPI. I only had one day because I was working full time. So I drove up to Las Vegas from LA where I live. I went to the seminars, and it was like a full day of instructors teaching on stage. I was, enamored with all of the opportunity when I got there. And I told myself every year that I was going to try to attend at least one conference. Now, since then, to be honest with you, 2012, I probably attended Imaging USA, Shutterfest, and WPPI almost every year since then. And this year is no different. I've been to, I was a speaker at Imaging USA, and again at Shutterfest, and I didn't attend WPPI for the first time in 10 years because of a scheduling conflict, but you can bet that I will be back there in the future. So I want to talk to you a little bit today about why some of these conferences are probably a worthwhile investment for you to go to as a photographer to better your art form and your business. First reason is that you have the opportunity to learn new skills and techniques. As a photographer, I can tell you that things are always changing in our industry. Just look at this year, 2023, right now. You guys saw the video I did the other day on AI and how it's changing our industry. Well, understand that coming to these conferences is how you are going to stay up to date on your skill set, on your art form, and stay ahead of your competition if you are in business by learning new skills and new techniques and new ways to do things. I can't tell you how invaluable it is to be around other like-minded people who can teach you things that you may or may not be doing in your own business. Now, one of the things you can do at some of these conferences is attend some of the hands-on classes. Shutterfest is known for its hands-on classes. All the instructors here are required to teach hands-on classes. And the reason I love them, not just as an instructor, but as an attendee, is that you can actually work with photographers who are skilled in whatever subject that they're teaching, but not only them, but also the other fellow attendees to learn, try new things when there are no stakes involved. Meaning, you can work with a model. You can try new techniques. If they don't work, you don't have the pressure of having to deliver something to a client that may or may not look its best. So that is the first reason why I absolutely think it is crucial to attend conferences, is to learn new skills and techniques. And the second reason why I think you should attend these conferences is the obvious one, and that is networking opportunities. I can tell you, not only as a speaker, but even as a photographer, I would not be where I am today if I wasn't attending these conferences on a regular basis, because by being at the same conferences over and over and over again, you're getting to develop relationships with your labs, you're getting to develop relationships with your vendors, and you're getting to develop relationships with other photographers in your local market that could potentially be a source of referrals for you. So the networking opportunities, and by the way, you probably already know that this is probably the main reason why a lot of photographers attend conferences, but the networking opportunities are substantial, and the ability for you to be able to meet new people, add them to your list of referrals, is an incredible thing to be able to take away from some of these conferences. And if you're interested in teaching, educating, speaking to photographers one day, you will develop partnerships with vendors, sponsors, and even promoters, so that you could potentially sign up and apply to speak at some of these conferences in the future, and even get your name out there a little bit better. So networking is the second reason why I think you guys should be attending conferences, and it's a big one. So please, when you go to these conferences, make sure that you're meeting as many people as you absolutely can. The third reason why many photographers want to go to conferences, and probably the one that many of you are the most excited for, is exposure to new equipment and software. And I'm also going to say products as well, if you're in business, right? For instance, if I'm a wedding photographer and I want to offer my clients wedding albums, I have the option of buying a bunch of samples that I may or may not ever use, or I can go to a trade show, walk the trade show floor, and actually feel these albums, pick them up, experience the weight of them, the materials, the same way that we tell you to put these products in your client's hands. You can do this for yourself. And not only that, you can shop around with all of the different labs that are there that day. So being able to experience the products is a huge thing if you're in business. But if you're just a photographer, maybe you do this as a side job, maybe you just do this for fun, you get to go to these conferences and you get to try out the new equipment. You get to see what kind of lens you like. Maybe you've been debating between buying an 85 or a 135. Well, at these conferences, oftentimes there are shooting bays that you can actually get to experience some of this equipment. And even if there aren't shooting bays in some of these conferences, you can borrow it from other photographers who may be there who might have that equipment. And you can try it. And it's a good way to kind of vet what you want to purchase and what you don't want to purchase. So I think it's a really good idea for you to come to these conferences, try out the different material. Maybe you're thinking about switching camera brands. You guys know I've done it quite a few times back home with Canon, and I continue to be Canon probably the rest of my career. But I've been to these conferences, I've gotten to try out different things, and I know that Canon is a great fit for me because I've gotten to experience all of them. The fourth reason why I think that you should attend these conferences, and this is the biggest one in my opinion, is for inspiration and motivation. Now, many of you may not have a competitive drive, right? I know some of you do. I absolutely do. And for me, I used to love entering into the image competitions. Now, this year there were less image competitions. Image competitions historically for these conferences are very expensive to run, and they don't necessarily have a lot of return because many photographers opt not to participate in them. But I can tell you as an artist, the one thing that has pushed me further than anything to create the images that many of you know us for is the fact that I put myself out there, entered into image competitions. And maybe those promoters who are watching this video, I'm kind of calling you out right now, bring the competitions back, make them a big part of your convention. The entire photography community benefits from them. I can tell you guys that going to these competitions, even if you're not competing in them, sitting in the room as these images come up and are judged, or if you do have the opportunity to judge a competition, also another great experience. It allows you to push yourself as a photographer to become better. You see new ideas, you see new things, you see how much other photographers are working hard to better their art, and naturally you're going to want to do the same. So I can tell you that going to these conferences, even if you're not entering in competition, but looking at some of the displays and seeing what some other photographers are doing as far as a motivational standpoint is a really, really huge benefit. And I can promise you that as an artist, you will benefit from it as well. So if these trade shows do bring back competitions, which I'm optimistic that they will, I highly also recommend that you enter into them. I know that Imaging USA still has their competition that happens annually, and part of PPA, all the local communities have their competition. So highly recommend that you guys enter into those. And then when you do go to the conferences, walk the trade show floor, see some of the print displays, the award displays, and I promise it'll help you become a better photographer as well. All right, and the final reason why I think you should go to conferences, it's the one that many of you don't put too much of a priority on. You all want to make more money in photography. You all want to do really well in business, yet when we teach business courses, a lot of times the classes are half full compared to overflowing when we teach lighting and posing in other technique-oriented courses. So coming to these conferences for business education is probably one of the best reasons why you can convince yourself to go, right? If you go and you put a focus on one thing every single year. So for instance, when I was starting out, I would go to a conference and say, hey, this year I want to learn about social media marketing, right? So I would sign up for all of the classes based on that were teaching social media marketing. And eventually I picked up things that I didn't know that I was not doing in my business, right? So going to the conferences and putting an emphasis on the business side of it, I promise you will open up new doors in your business and your art. And even if this is a part-time gig for you and you're just charging some clients for your services, how cool would it be to learn some techniques that can double the revenue you're bringing into your business so that you can spend more time enjoying the art of photography? So highly recommend coming to these conferences and at least doing one business course per day. Even if you're gonna do a lot of the hands-on stuff and you're coming just for the fun stuff, try to do one business course per day, and I promise your business and your art will be much better for it if you guys do. So that's all I have for you guys today. I'm heading off to teach a class right now on lighting. I will catch you guys later and hope to see you next year at Shutterfest.